Okay, this is James from JPN Woodworking. This is my buddy Jesse. Today we are going to be doing some Fractal wood burning with the Lichtenberg machine on some grips of an AK-47. Should turn out pretty good. All right, the first thing we got to do is we have to take baking soda and mix it with warm water. It's usually about 1 tablespoon to 1 cup of water. This is a half tablespoon, so we're going to put 2. Still rather, the refrigerator wife's going to be pissed. So, we'll get something to mix that up. You got to get some brass nails.
Brass works best, huh?
Copper nails.
Yeah, perfect.
Mix that up real good. You put them where you want them.
I figure we'll just
go right across.
go right, diagonal like that, maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
It's gonna decide where it goes, anyways, isn't it?
You gotta excuse Jesse. He's kind of primitive. That should be good. Do the same thing there. Alright. Now take the nails. I have a hammer right here for you. Now I made this Lichtenberg machine from a transformer from a microwave. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the catalyst, which is just baking soda and water. Paint that on real good. Hopefully it soaks it up. So there's some kind of oil finish on this, which might cause a problem, but we're going to find out.
Yes, we will.
Alright, here we go. Ooh, there we go. That's making a pretty cool sign. Pretty cool design. There we go.
Nice.
There we go. That was pretty badass, dude. Not gonna lie, I like that.
Heck yeah.
That's cool. There we go.
There we go. Now we're talking. Outstanding.
A little bit more real quick.
Try that, baby.
There we
That's
go.
awesome. Heck yeah, man. You're gonna be cooking.
Do not try this at home, kids. I'm not responsible. Look at the water boiling.
Yeah.
Come on, you got some more in there. Come on.
Let's run this
There
one,
we
Pete.
go. I'm trying to.
There you go. Heck yeah.
That's some deep shit.
That's awesome.
What? Oh.
Alright. We're burning this one hard too, right?
Yes. Tie Jackson in.
Alright, now what's this called? This is called...
This is called Fractal wood burning with a Lichtenberg machine.
And you built this?
I built it out of a microwave transformer, some 6-gauge wire, some alligator clips, and a random ass cord I cut off of something. Don't know what, but I got it somewhere.
Rock and roll?
There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Alright. Hold on. I'm not hitting the thing. I'm just putting some water on it.
Okay. Go.
Alright, here we go. You ready?
Rock and roll.
Oh, that one came from the center. You see that?
Yeah.
sound is
That's
devastating.
awesome. Oh, nice.
All right.
Perfect.
Oh, that's
All
awesome.
right, we'll flip her over, do the other side, and then
Yeah.
we'll be done.
We'll get this one wet beforehand.
Mhm.
This way I don't have to worry about moving them. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that.
That was fast, too.
Yeah, it was. Oh
That's
yeah,
awesome.
that is cool.
That's awesome.
All right,
All right, let's see what they look like.
that was cool.